Breaking news from SpaceX, the next giant leap in rocket recovery. In a groundbreaking announcement following Starship's Flight 6 success, Elon Musk has revealed SpaceX's bold next step, catching Starship from the sky. This isn't just another milestone. It's the key to unlocking full rocket reusability that could transform space travel as we know it. The recent Flight 6 showed us something remarkable. Both the Super Heavy booster and Starship upper stage achieved controlled vertical landings. While the mission didn't include the anticipated catch maneuver, it laid crucial groundwork for what's coming next. Musk's latest statement has the space community buzzing. After one more ocean landing test of Starship, we're going for the catch. This ambitious move is scheduled sooner than many expected, targeting early next year for the first ever attempt to catch a returning spacecraft with Mechazilla's tower arms. What makes this announcement particularly exciting is the timing. With Starship 5 2 upgrades already in progress and Launchpad B nearing completion, SpaceX is methodically assembling all the pieces needed for this historic achievement. The next flight, Flight 7, will serve as the final dress rehearsal before this spectacular catching attempt. Welcome to Elon Musk 24 Hours, where we bring you the latest developments in SpaceX's journey to revolutionize space travel. Let's dive right in. The thunderous roar of Starship's engines still echoes across Starbase, a testament to Flight 6's historic achievement. But amidst the celebration of this successful mission, SpaceX is already pushing forward to an even more ambitious goal, one that could forever change how we return from space. The successful ocean landing of Starship 31 wasn't just another test flight, it was the culmination of years of innovation, countless setbacks, and the unwavering determination of thousands of engineers who dared to reimagine rocket recovery. As Starship 31 descended through the atmosphere that day, the world watched in awe. The massive spacecraft, standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, performed its legendary belly flop maneuver with unprecedented precision. Flames licked at its heat shield as it plunged through the atmosphere at hypersonic speeds, its advanced control surfaces adjusting millisecond by millisecond to maintain the perfect trajectory. Then came the moment of truth, the flip maneuver. In a ballet of rocket science and engineering, S-31 ignited its engines, rotated vertical, and touched down softly in the Gulf of Mexico. It was poetry in motion, a dance of physics and human ingenuity that left even veteran space enthusiasts breathless. But for SpaceX's visionary leader, Elon Musk and his team, landing in the ocean is just the opening act. The true revolution awaits in the form of Mechazilla, the colossal catch tower that has become the centerpiece of Starbase's evolving skyline. Standing a staggering 469 feet tall, this marvel of modern engineering isn't merely a launch tower. It's humanity's most ambitious attempt to fundamentally reinvent how spacecraft return from orbit. Its massive arms, nicknamed chopsticks by the SpaceX team, represent the culmination of countless engineering breakthroughs and innovations. The development of Mechazilla's catch system reads like a thriller novel in the world of aerospace engineering. Each component has been meticulously designed to handle forces never before encountered in rocket recovery. The arms themselves are masterpieces of material science, incorporating advanced carbon fiber composites and novel alloys capable of flexing under enormous loads without failing. The hydraulic systems that control these massive appendages are equally revolutionary, capable of adjusting their position with millimeter precision in milliseconds, essential for adapting to the unpredictable Texas coastal winds that could affect Starship's approach. Inside the heart of Mechazilla, a neural network of sensors and computers works in perfect harmony. This artificial brain processes thousands of variables in real time: wind speed, atmospheric pressure, Starship's velocity and orientation, structural loads, and countless other parameters. It's a symphony of data and decision-making that would have seemed impossible just a decade ago. The system's response time is measured in microseconds, faster than human reflexes could ever achieve, making split-second adjustments to ensure a perfect catch. The journey to this point has been anything but smooth. Early prototypes of the catch system revealed challenges that even the most experienced engineers hadn't anticipated. The forces involved in catching a 100-ton spacecraft proved more complex than initial calculations suggested. The team discovered that the interaction between Starship's aerodynamic surfaces and the tower's wake vortices created unexpected turbulence patterns. This led to a complete redesign of the aerodynamic modeling systems and the development of new computational fluid dynamics software specifically for this application. Now, as SpaceX prepares for Flight 7, the anticipation at Starbase is palpable. Ship 33 sits in the high bay, its gleaming surface reflecting the hopes and dreams of the entire space industry. This isn't just another Starship, it's the debut of Starship 5.2, incorporating lessons learned from every previous flight and specifically optimized for the catching procedure. The new hexagonal heat shield tiles aren't just designed to protect against re-entry heating, they're part of an integrated structural system that can withstand the unique stresses of being caught by Mechazilla's arms. The advances in Ship 33's flight control systems are equally impressive. The spacecraft now sports enhanced aerodynamic surfaces with unprecedented precision and response rates. The control algorithms have been completely rewritten, incorporating machine learning techniques that allow the system to adapt to changing conditions in real time. Perhaps most importantly, new communication systems ensure perfect coordination between Starship and Mechazilla during the critical final approach. But the true magic lies in the integration of all these systems. As Ship 33 undergoes its final preparations, engineers are conducting what might be the most sophisticated test program in aerospace history. Every component is tested not just individually, but as part of the larger system. The static fire tests of the latest generation Raptor engines aren't just about verifying thrust. They're about ensuring perfect synchronization with the flight control systems that will guide Starship into Mechazilla's embrace. The implications of successful catch operations extend far beyond mere rocket recovery. When Starship finally settles into Mechazilla's grasp, it will mark the beginning of a new era in space exploration. The economics of spaceflight could transform overnight, with launch costs potentially dropping below $1 million per flight. This isn't just about saving money, it's about opening up possibilities that have been the stuff of science fiction until now. Imagine a future where Starships launch and land with the regularity of airline flights, where Mars missions aren't one-shot adventures, but regular cargo runs supporting growing colonies, where lunar bases receive weekly supply deliveries and crew rotations. This is the future that SpaceX is building, one innovative solution at a time. The catch system is more than just an engineering achievement. It's a key that could unlock humanity's expansion into the solar system. The environmental implications are equally revolutionary. By eliminating ocean landings, SpaceX isn't just simplifying recovery operations. They're removing a significant source of environmental impact. No more fleet of recovery ships burning fuel across the ocean. No more exposure of spacecraft to corrosive saltwater. The catch system represents a crucial step toward truly sustainable spaceflight. As Launch Pad B rises from the Texas soil, it brings with it capabilities that were unimaginable just a few years ago. The pad's enhanced flame deflectors and improved deluge systems aren't just designed for launches. They're part of an integrated infrastructure that will support rapid turnaround operations. SpaceX's goal isn't just to catch Starship, it's to catch it, refuel it, and launch it again within hours. The human element in this story cannot be overlooked. Behind every innovation, every successful test, stands a team of dedicated individuals who refuse to accept impossibility. Engineers who work through the night debugging control systems. Welders who perfect new techniques for joining exotic materials. Software developers who push the boundaries of real-time control systems. Their story is one of relentless determination, of pushing through failure after failure until success finally emerges. The preparation for the first catch attempt has required the development of entirely new testing methodologies. Traditional aerospace testing procedures simply weren't adequate for validating such a novel system. SpaceX engineers have created sophisticated simulation systems that combine virtual reality, physical mechanics, and real-time data processing to train both human operators and AI systems. These simulations account for everything from normal operations to edge cases that might occur once in a million catches. The role of artificial intelligence in this endeavor cannot be overstated. The neural networks controlling Mechazilla's operations represent the cutting edge of AI technology. These systems don't just follow pre-programmed instructions. They learn and adapt from every test, every simulation, constantly improving their decision-making capabilities. The AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and make split-second decisions will be crucial during actual catch operations. Looking ahead to Flight 8, scheduled for early next year, the excitement is building. This will be the first attempt to catch Starship, a moment that could redefine our relationship with space. The preparation timeline is ambitious but methodical. December will see Flight 7's crucial ocean landing test, followed by final system modifications in January based on the data collected. February could mark the historic first catch attempt, assuming all goes according to plan. The financial implications of successful catch operations are staggering. Industry analysts estimate that full reusability could reduce launch costs by up to 90%. This isn't just about making space access cheaper, it's about making regular space operations economically viable. Commercial space stations, large-scale satellite deployment, space manufacturing, and even space tourism suddenly become realistic business propositions. Beyond the immediate technical achievements, the catch system represents something more profound: humanity's growing maturity as a spacefaring civilization. We're no longer content to simply throw away our spacecraft after one use. We're developing the infrastructure and capabilities needed for sustainable, long-term space operations. This is the foundation upon which our future in space will be built. As we approach these historic moments, the atmosphere at Starbase is charged with possibility. Every successful test, every milestone achieved brings us closer to a future that once existed only in science fiction. The catch system isn't just about recovering rockets. It's about proving that with enough innovation, determination, and courage, we can overcome any challenge that stands between us and the stars. In the words of Elon Musk, spoken during a recent tour of the Catch Tower, what we're building here isn't just a way to catch rockets. We're building the gateway to making humanity a multiplanetary species. As Starship continues its development and testing program, those words echo across Starbase, inspiring the next generation of innovations that will carry us to the stars. As we stand on the brink of this historic achievement, SpaceX's journey reminds us that the greatest breakthroughs often come from daring to attempt the impossible. The upcoming catch attempt isn't just about recovering a rocket. It's about revolutionizing our access to space. From the successful ocean landing of Flight 6 to the meticulous preparations for Flight 7, every step brings us closer to Elon Musk's vision of making humanity a spacefaring civilization. The story of Starship and Mechazilla is still being written, with each test and innovation adding new chapters to this incredible journey. When that first successful catch happens early next year, it won't just be a victory for SpaceX, it will be a triumph for everyone who dreams of a future where space travel is as routine as air travel. Keep up with this groundbreaking story and be part of history in the making. Subscribe to Elon Musk 24 Hours to stay informed about every development in SpaceX's journey to transform space exploration. If you found this deep dive into SpaceX's catching technology fascinating, show your support by hitting that like button. Share this video with fellow space enthusiasts who dream of humanity's future among the stars. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on when you think we'll see the first successful Starship catch. For more exclusive coverage and in-depth analysis of SpaceX's revolutionary achievements, follow us on all social media platforms. This is Elon Musk 24 Hours, bringing you tomorrow's space technology today.